The Kaiweets outlet tester model KT301T can be used on outlets and GFCIs to check if the wiring is correct. When it's plugged into an outlet, the LCD display shows the voltage and if the wiring is correct. The bottom indicator light will also show green if it's wired correctly. When you pull the tester out of the outlet, it will hold the test results for 5 minutes, which is great for hard-to-reach outlets and GFCIs. It automatically turns off after 5 minutes. If it isn't wired correctly, it will show what needs to be corrected on the red LED screen, and the bottom indicator will show a red light. The tester shows 6 different wiring problems. A missing hot wire, the screen will show an L for live, a term for the hot wire. No ground connection, the screen will show E for earth, a term for the ground wire. No neutral connection, hot and neutral wires reversed, hot and ground wires reversed, and hot and ground wires reversed with no ground connection. Having the hot and neutral wires reversed can be a shock hazard for lamps plugged into the outlet. Having the hot and ground wire reversed can be a serious shock hazard, potentially turning grounded metal appliances and metal outlet boxes into a shock hazard. The test button checks that a GFCI is working properly. The LCD screen will show PAS for pass if the GFCI trips properly. If the GFCI doesn't trip, it needs to be replaced. The tester has a safety rating up to 300 volts. There's a low battery alert, and this model comes with 2 AAA batteries and a 3-year warranty.